React Native and Flutter are both open-source mobile app development frameworks. They are used to build native mobile apps for iOS and Android using a single codebase. React Native, developed by Facebook, uses JavaScript and is based on Facebook's React library. It allows developers to build mobile apps using the same components as web apps, and it uses the same design as React. Flutter, developed by Google, uses the Dart programming language and has a unique architecture with its own widgets. It allows for faster development and a more customizable look and feel. Both frameworks have a large and active community, and both have the ability to use third-party libraries. However, React Native has been around longer and has a larger ecosystem and more available resources, while Flutter is newer but gaining popularity quickly. Ultimately, the choice between React Native and Flutter may come down to personal preference, the specific needs of a project.